Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your name in Zelle. First of all, open the Zelle app on your smartphone. Since Zelle is linked to your bank account, you will need to open the mobile app of the bank where Zelle is connected. Log into your account. After that, go to Zelle settings and select Zelle preferences near the bottom of the screen. Then select Manage Payment Profiles. After that, update any relevant information including your display name. Then click Update Contact Information. That's all you need to do. Now, when someone sends you money, they will see the name you have chosen. You can also update your account information. If your debit card expired, you could remove it. You can also change the email associated with the app as well as other contact information. Remember, the changes might take a few minutes to reflect. Thanks for watching.